Now today I have come having presented with a new video for the students of class 10. In the previous video, now I have explained the interpretations of the topic A Letter to God in Hindi. But today I will interpret the stanzas of this poem in English. Okay, students? And I am also thankful to you all who has liked my video, Rudra English Educator. And students, I want to represent all the videos only for the welfare of the students. Okay, so now let's start the interpretations of this poem, Dust of Snow. Student, first of all, understand the meaning of the title of this story. Dust of Snow. Dust, that means dirt. Okay. And snow, that means ice. So dust of snow, it means the dirt of ice. It is the title of this poem. And the poet's name, who is Robert Frost. Robert Frost, who has composed this poem by writing his feelings, his realizations through the stanzas of this poem. Now the first 4 lines of this poem is, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Students, the meaning of hemlock, that is a poisonous plant. In other words, it is the name of a belladonna plant which is very poisonous also. Okay. So now the first line, the first 4 lines which stand for the poet who stands under a tree, that is a hemlock tree. And he was in a very mournful condition. He was very sad. Okay. Because he is thinking about himself, now my life has been spoiled. There is no importance of my life. There is no significance of my life. Okay, so what should I lead? Why should I lead my life? Okay, how should I lead my life? This is the question about the poet also. So all of a sudden, when he was thinking over these issues under the shade of a tree, that is hemlock tree, so all of a sudden a crow, okay, which stands on the branches of a tree. And then and there, the crow who start to shake down the tree, who start to shake down the branches of the tree. And after that, the dust of snow, okay, the dust of snow which falls from the tree also. And that dirt of ice, that dust of snow which falls on the head or on the body parts of the poet. All of a sudden, the poet who thinks over this activity of the crow also. It means he was thinking it. Now, by falling the dust of snow from the trees, and now he realizes, it means a new ideas. He feels it. Okay, he realizes it. A new ideology. Okay, by shaking down the branches of the tree, and when the dust of snow which falls on the body of the poet, so then and there he is thinking over it, and then and there his mood has been completely changed also. His mood has been completely transformed also. Okay, it means he is thinking, now a crow who can do this kind of activity, okay, who can shake down the branches of the tree, okay, that is not an easy task of the crow, but now he is ready to do this activity. Okay, so by dint of the activity of the crow, the poet who understands the meaning of the life. It means what is the meaning of the life, so he understands. Has given my heart a change of mood. His heart, his mood, which has been completely changed and saved some part of a day I had rued. And now, rued, that means repenting, regretting also. So he starts to regret over his activity, why he was thinking so, why he was thinking negatively, why he was not giving the importance or the significance of his life, why he could not understand the concept of his life. So then and there are several questions which stuck to the mind of the poet. And at last, okay, he realizes his mistake, he realizes his blunder mistake, whatever now he was going to do also. It means now he wants to end his life. Okay, he wants to end his life. But by observing the activity of the crow, so he understands it very well. And he gets ready to start his work like a crow. It means as the crow, although now the sound of a crow is very harsh, very rough sound, now it means the crow gets it. Okay, and it's the grace of God, not only for the birds or not only the authority of the human beings also. It means whatever the birds or the human beings, okay, who are good, who are bad, who are very handsome, who are very ugly. So this is the gift of God. Okay, no any human beings and no any birds or animals, okay, having with this authority to create ourselves, to create themselves also. So this is the result, this is the gift of God who has created us. Either they are good or bad, either they are ugly and beautiful, okay, this is not the matter. Only we all are creatures, we all are human beings. And everyone, not I am talking or I am explaining about the matter or about the activity of the poet also. Each and every personality who should understand the concept of life, who should understand the importance of life. Okay. However, we are failure in our life, but we should never lose our heart. We should not be, okay, we should not be unsucceeded to lead our lives, because we all are human beings and we should have patience. Okay, how to face the obstacles, how to face the difficulties. It is the nature of human being to face them with smoothly. Okay, by using our talency, by using our intelligence, we can overcome our obstacles. But we should not lose heart also. We should not end our lives also. This is the message of this poem. And at last, the poet, okay, who understands his mistake, now whatever he should do. And at last, now he gets start to do his work like a crow also. It means from that day, okay, from that day when this event which was happened with him, so from that day he can understand the importance of life, and from that day now he gets ready to start his own work. He start to, it means concerned with his activity like a crow. Okay, student, so this is the explanations of this poem. Okay, whatever now I have done it, and I hope, okay, I hope from the side of you all could understand it better. It's a very compact form of the poem. So next video, now I will present, okay, I will present within 1 or 2 days. Okay, student. So whatever now I am explaining. Okay, the chapters in English for the students of class 10 through my video Rudra English Educator. So please study it. But by using your talency, by using your ability, by using your concentrations, by using your full of passions, okay, and it will be benefit for you also. So students, one more thing now I want to share among you today. It means these days, not today also. It means the recent times. That's very critical time for us. We all are facing the problem of COVID-19, student. So please, you all stay at your home, stay healthy, okay, and don't waste your time by wandering here and there. Otherwise, it will be fatal for you. Okay, students. Now, goodbye and thanks a lot again to you.